have a bike lock for you tonight. But it's not your typical bike lock, it's actually a padlock that has the word bike on the logo, which is engraved and colored with some red paint. And I actually find it a really nice logo. Really, you can see the bike there. And there's also a scratched off B here. How I make it a B, because this one on the other side looks a little bit better, but still removed. So it's a bike bar padlock. Small little thing. I think it's about 40 millimeters, and there would not be more than 4 pins inside. At least last time I counted there were 4, unless this changed now. And 4, yes, there seem to be only 4 pins. I cleaned up this padlock, then I gave it a little bit of a shine so that it's not utterly disgusting. And let's see what it takes to get into one of these bikes. Well, bike locks. Starting with 1, 2, 4, 4 again, and the lock is open. So, although it says it's a bike lock and then goes with a chain, I guess, I would not secure my bike with this particular lock. But still, the logo is quite cool. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time.